Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the OnePlus 6 Silk White version. Now this will be available on June 5th from OnePlus.com. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this is the same as the gloss black and the matte black. Now I'm not going to waste your time going through the specs. We already did that in the unboxing video, and this is not a review. I got one of those up too. I'll leave the link for both of those videos in the description as well. Alright, so let's check this out. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. OnePlus 6 Silk White. Now, if you ever bought anything from OnePlus, you already know what to expect. Beautiful presentation. This is no different. Let me grab a little unboxing knife. Shout out to the Tiger Tooth. Rah. Here we go. Let that hype build up. Alright, White Shoes, you ready? Now, let's see which version this is. This is 128 gigs. Silk White. Okay. All right, Zerks, back up. Here we go. OnePlus 6. Woo! Here's your device. Now let me peel this plastic off. Rah. And we got one more in the back. Check this out. Let that sink in for a second. This is beautiful. Now the back, it kind of feels like a pearl. All right, so this is no fingerprint status. Look at the gold trim. All right, your OnePlus insignia is in gold. Gold around the sides. Let's see the, Zerks, chill. Let's see the vibrate on and off switch. Gold also. Beautiful. We're going to take a look at that again. All right, let's see what else you get in the box. Now, this should be the standard OnePlus packing. So this is going to be your SIM ejection tool. White Shoes. All right, let me see. Usual books and shit. Pluck them. File them to the side. Where's my favorite OnePlus troll stickers? There we go. OnePlus troll stickers. Anybody that has a Galaxy S9, you know what to do. And of course, you get a free case. Zerks, I'm about to file you. You get a free case. Typical gel skin case. We'll go over the rest of the cases in a minute. Here's your dash charger. And my favorite thing, the OnePlus USB Type-C cable with the cable management clips. Back to the phone. Look at this. Beautiful. Feels good in the hands. Ladies, you know the procedures. The best part, no fingerprints. Now here's a comparison to the glossy black. Zerk's about to eat the cables. Beautiful. All right, let me pause the video. I'm going to drop my information in. We'll breeze through the OS real quick, and I'll show you the rest of the cases. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, y'all, so we back in. Now, I got everything all set up, and just like I said in the real review, this phone is a major, major, major go. The price is right, and as of right now, this is the smoothest Android phone that I got. Second to that will be the Pixel 2 XL, but the OnePlus 6 has a newer processor and newer GPU, so as of today, this is the champ. Now, as far as the colors, if I had to choose between the gloss black and the silk white, I would definitely go with the silk white. No fingerprints on deck. You got that rose gold trim. It's been years since I had a white phone, so we back in the game. Now, of course, you got one of the fastest fingerprint sensors in the game. Probably the fastest facial unlock. You didn't even see a lock screen just now. All of the features and all of the gimmicks. Now, one thing I want to show y'all, check this out. Let me do a little wipe down for dramatic effect. Always on display. Now, once you unbox your OnePlus 6, you're going to have an update in the background. If you do that update, you're going to lose your always on display, but you will get some other benefits. It's going to update your camera. But like I said, that's going to be the end of the always on display. So this one, I'm not going to update. We're just going to rock out. Beautiful. All right, so let's slap on the cases so we can see what they look like. First, we'll start with the gel skin case that comes with it. This one just slaps right on. Let's do a little wipe down. This is nice. Now, if you want to showcase the color of your phone, get something like this. Nice amount of razivity on this. Protection on the top, the bottom, both sides. Has a sticky kind of feel to it, so it's going to give you some grip. But most importantly, you can see through it. All right, so this is the free case. Next up, let's check out the wooden case. All right, so we'll slap this one on. Now this case has maximum razivity, so it's 100% Slam Boy certified. Protection on the sides, the bottom, and the top. You can see a little bit of white through the back, and it matches the white OnePlus insignia. This is a go. Always on display. Let's keep it moving. Next up, let's take a look at the Sandstone. Now this is a classic combo right here. Now this is not the most protective case. The bottom is wide open, the top is wide open. It's more like just a hard shell. OnePlus insignia is in black, but it has that sandpaper feel to it. Once you slap this one on, feels so good in the hands. I'm not gonna say it, but it's nice though. You can see that rose gold. This is a go. Let's keep it moving. Next, now this is one of my favorite cases right here. Let's take a look at the carbon fiber. Now this is a nice combination right here because the OnePlus insignia is in white. So once you slap this on, you're gonna see a little bit of silk white and the white. Now again, this is not the most protective case because the top and bottom is wide open. I gotta do the smell test on this one. Y'all know what I'm getting ready to say. Smells like race car. Carbon fiber, that's my thing. You can see some rose gold on both sides. This is a win right here. Let's keep it moving. Now let me show you my favorite case that grew on me. The nylon, or as I call it, Hyperknit. Now real quick, remember the Galaxy case I have? It looks just like this. Try out one of these cases if you never had it. You're gonna love the way this case looks and you're gonna love the way it feels. Now this case has that Alcantara kind of material on the inside. Once you slap this one on, this has maximum razivity, Slam Boy certified, white on white. That's a nice combo, protection on the top and the bottom. This one gives you a nice amount of grip. And like I said, I've been rocking this every day and it still looks brand new. So no wear and tear on this one. If I had to get one case, I'll probably get this one. Now, let me show you which one is probably going to look the best with the white. The cherry red. Whew, look at that. Now, look at it next to the OnePlus box. This case looks like it was made for this silk white version. We'll slap this one on. Now, real quick, I got to show you on the inside. More of that Alcantara-ish material. Slap your phone in. Now, this one, the bottom is wide open. But you got protection around the top and all the sides. So it's semi-Slam Boy status. Has that soft silicone-ish kind of feel to it. No fingerprints. This one looks dope. Now the OnePlus insignia is red, but you can see the white popping out the back and the rose gold popping out the bottom. So if you get the silk white, I suggest get the nylon case and definitely get the red. All right, this is that real red. Anyway, this is the OnePlus 6 silk white version. So beautiful. Comes out June 5th. And like I said, the price is right. Anyway, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Dramatic fade alert. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise.
Spock, 1 to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.